Here is the live demonstration of a solution, K-Metis. As you can see, the interface is clean, modern, and branded for Kochi Metro. It's fully bilingual and we can switch to Malayalam with a single click, ensuring it's accessible to all staff. The system is built on role-based access. Each user, whether they are a maintenance engineer, a safety officer, or an administrator, gets a personalized experience tailored to their specific needs. For this demo, we log in as a Metro administrator to get a complete overview. This is the intelligent dashboard, the command center for Metro operations. It provides a real-time snapshot of key metrics. We are tracking the average document processing time, overall compliance coverage, and the distribution of tasks across various departments. Managers can instantly see trends and identify potential bottlenecks. The entire dashboard is interactive and, as mentioned, fully functional in Malayalam, ensuring no language barrier for users. KMetis integrates seamlessly with existing systems at KMRL. Here you can see it is connected to sources like WhatsApp, Maximo, SharePoint, and email, automatically ingesting documents as they arrive. In addition to automatic ingestion, users can also upload documents directly. We'll upload a sample operational report. As soon as the document is uploaded, our AI engine becomes analyzing it into the background, performing OCR, natural language processing, and intelligent extraction. And here are the results. In just a few moments, the system has processed the document and presents a complete summary. It has automatically identified the number of items relevant to maintenance, operations, and safety, and generated a concise summary of key findings. This is where KMetis delivers its real value. We have created what we call evidence cards. The system doesn't just give you text, it extracts actionable obligations, tasks, and deadlines. Each card contains a specific task. Assign it to the correct department and sets a priority and deadline, all automatically. It goes further by identifying and cataloging physical assets mentioned in the report, like this escalator motor unit, and flags potential risks that require immediate attention. Now, to ensure this information is fast and relevant, we use a localized knowledge graph, which as I filter this view by role. By clicking maintenance, the system instantly shows only the obligations and assets relevant to that team. This is possible because we create dynamic role-specific data clusters, making retrieval incredibly fast and efficient for every user. For complete transparency, the system workflow log provides a fully audit trail showing every step the AI took to process the document, from ingestion and OCR to the final extraction. Finally, to guarantee trust and eliminate any possibility of AI hallucination, every single evidence card is anchored to its source by clicking View Source. The user is taken directly to the specific page in the original document where the information was found. This makes every insight verifiable and every action traceable. Now we will see our technical workflow and its approach through our PPT. We begin with document ingestion. Documents can arrive with multiple sources, emails, WhatsApp, ERP systems like Maximo, cloud storage, or direct uploads. To handle this, we use Kafka listeners that capture documents in real time and temporarily store them in MongoDB. Further, documents are pulled in batches through a message bus managed by RabbitMQ and Redis. This makes the system scalable and reliable for large volumes. File types are then handled differently. Text-based PDFs and Word files are passed directly, while scanned images are processed through OCR engines. Tesseract for English, Indic OCR for regional language, and Servam LLM for correcting OCR errors for even summarizing complex files like engineering drawings. The extracted text flows into the extractor module, which applies NLP, named entity recognition, and fine tuned large language models to detect obligations, assets, risks, deadlines, or IDs. These become tags and anchor text, forming the foundation of retrieval system. Next, an error correcting AI agent verifies outputs by cross-checking across extractors and applying validation rules. If mismatches appears, the data is quarantined or rolled back, ensuring only verified information moves forward. Once validated, the system generates evidence cards, compact summaries of key facts, tags, and links back to the original document stored securely in Amazon S3. These cards are then vectorized and stored in Neo4j, where they form a knowledge graph. Enriched with semantic embeddings, over time related cards naturally cluster together, enabling faster and more accurate retrieval. When a user logs into the dashboard, their profile guides what insights they see. The retriever module queries the graph using RAG and semantic matching to display the most relevant evidence cards. A notification agent powered by LLMs, populations, and dashboard grounded insights, each linked to the exact page of the source document. Finally, users can interact with chat agent also using RAG to ask content-specific questions, whether operational, procurement, or compliance-related. This means while the system is tailored to each role, it still supports cross-functional knowledge sharing, ensuring that every user gets fast, reliable, and role-aware insights. In summary, KMetis transforms the raw documents into a structured, verifiable, and intelligent knowledge base, empowering the Kochi Metro team to make faster and data-driven decisions. Thank you.